Ladies, I need to tell you something that might shock you, but it's a truth I've discovered after styling hair for over 2 decades. Last week, I had a client walk into my salon. Margaret, 65 years old, with beautiful silver hair that she'd been wearing the same way for 15 years. She sat in my chair and said something that broke my heart. "I feel like I've become invisible. People look right through me." Does this resonate with you? Have you ever felt like your hairstyle is aging you, making you blend into the background when you should be standing out? Here's what nobody tells you about hair after 60, and this is where most women get it completely wrong. We think that conservative, age-appropriate haircuts are what we're supposed to have. We've been conditioned to believe that shorter means older, that layers mean maintenance, and that anything too stylish is somehow inappropriate for our age. But what if I told you that some of the most stunning, vibrant women I know are over 60? And their secret weapon is a haircut that breaks all these so-called rules. The truth is, there are 3 specific haircuts that can literally take a decade off your appearance, and they have nothing to do with trying to look like you're in your 20s again. These cuts work with your mature features, complement the natural changes in your hair texture, and most importantly, they make you look like the confident, sophisticated woman you are, just with an undeniable youthful energy that turns heads wherever you go. Today, I'm going to share these 3 game-changing haircuts with you. These aren't trendy styles that will be out of fashion next year. These are timeless, strategic cuts that work specifically for women over 60, taking into account everything from changing hairlines to evolving face shapes to the way our hair texture transforms with age. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why your current haircut might be adding years to your appearance and how the right cut can become your fountain of youth. Before we dive in, if you're ready to discover more insider secrets about looking and feeling your absolute best after 60, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for EverWise older women. We're building a community of women who refuse to fade into the background, and I want you to be part of this movement. Now let me share something that will change how you think about haircuts forever. The difference between a haircut that ages you and one that makes you look younger isn't about length, it's about placement. It's not about how much hair you cut off, it's about where you cut it and how you shape what remains. The most youthful haircuts for women over 60 all have one thing in common: they create lift, movement, and interest around your face, which is exactly where you want people to focus. As we age, several things happen to our faces and hair that most people don't realize affect how youthful we look. Our hairline often recedes slightly, particularly at the temples. Our face shape can change as we lose some volume in our cheeks and jawline. Our hair texture becomes finer and sometimes thinner. Our neckline changes. Traditional haircuts don't account for these changes, which is why they can make us look older instead of younger. When you choose a haircut that's specifically designed to work with these natural changes instead of ignoring them, the result is transformative. You don't look like you're trying to be someone you're not. You look like the most polished, vibrant, youthful version of yourself. The first haircut that can take 10 years off your appearance is what I call the Modern Shag. And before you say absolutely not because you remember shags from the 70s, hear me out. The Modern Shag is nothing like those outdated styles. This is a sophisticated, layered cut that creates incredible movement and texture while being surprisingly low maintenance. First, it addresses the issue of thinning hair by creating layers that give the illusion of fullness and body. But these aren't choppy, disconnected layers. They're carefully graduated layers that blend seamlessly, creating a soft, romantic silhouette that's incredibly flattering. The magic of the Modern Shag lies in how it frames your face. The layers are strategically placed to create movement around your cheekbones and jawline, areas where we often lose definition as we age. This framing effect draws attention to your eyes and creates the illusion of lifted, more defined facial features. But here's what makes this cut so youthful. Unlike blunt cuts that can look heavy and severe, the Modern Shag has a carefree, effortless quality that suggests vitality and movement. When your hair moves naturally, when it has that slightly tousled, lived-in texture, it creates an impression of youth and energy that's incredibly appealing. The length of a Modern Shag typically falls somewhere between your shoulders and collarbone, which is ideal for most women over. It's long enough to feel feminine and sophisticated, but short enough to have body and movement. The key is in the layering technique. The shortest layers should frame your face, starting around your cheekbones and gradually getting longer as they blend into the overall length. Now here's something crucial about the Modern Shag that makes it so flattering for mature women. The layers aren't all the same length or cut at the same angle. Instead, they're customized to work with your specific face shape and hair texture. If you have a round face, the layers are cut to create length and narrow your features. If you have a long face, they're cut to add width and fullness at the sides. This customization is what makes the difference between a generic layered cut and a truly transformative modern shag. The styling of a modern shag is beautifully simple, which is perfect for women who want to look polished without spending hours on their hair every morning. You can scrunch it with some texturizing mousse for a casual beachy look, or smooth it with a light serum for something more refined. The layers give you options, but they also look great with minimal styling, which is exactly what busy, active women over 60 need. The second haircut that can dramatically reduce your apparent age is the long layered bob, often called a lob, but I prefer to think of it as the sophisticated bob because it's so much more refined than the trendy versions you see on younger women. This cut is absolutely magic for women over 60 because it combines the elegance of a classic bob with the movement and softness of strategic layering. Here's why the sophisticated bob is so effective at creating a youthful appearance. The length, which typically falls just below the shoulders, is long enough to maintain femininity and sophistication, but short enough to have incredible body and bounce. This length is particularly flattering because it doesn't pull your features down the way longer hair can, and it doesn't make you look severe the way shorter bobs sometimes can. Unlike a traditional blunt bob, which can look heavy and aging, the sophisticated bob has subtle layers cut throughout that create movement and prevent that helmet head effect. These internal layers are invisible when your hair is styled smooth, but they provide incredible versatility in how you can wear your hair. This subtle angle is incredibly flattering because it draws the eye forward toward your face and creates the illusion of a longer, more elegant neck. For women over 60, this neck lengthening effect is particularly valuable because it creates a more youthful silhouette. Here's what makes this cut so transformative. The sophisticated bob can be styled sleek and polished for professional settings, tousled and textured for casual elegance, or curled under slightly for classic sophistication. This versatility means you never look like you're wearing the same hairstyle day after day, which keeps your look fresh and current. The layering in a sophisticated bob is designed to work with the natural changes in hair texture that occur with age. As our hair becomes finer, it can sometimes look flat and lifeless in a blunt cut. But the strategic layering in this style creates the illusion of thickness and body, while the length provides enough weight to prevent the hair from looking too wispy or insubstantial. One of the most youthful aspects of the sophisticated bob is how it interacts with your facial features. The front pieces can be cut to complement your face shape, whether that means creating soft angles to balance a round face or adding fullness to balance a narrow face. The key is that these face framing pieces are always cut to enhance your best features and minimize any areas you're less confident about. The third haircut that can take years off your appearance is perhaps the most surprising, the textured pixie. Now, I know what you're thinking. Pixie cuts are too short, too severe, too masculine. But the textured pixie I'm talking about is nothing like those outdated one-size-fits-all shortcuts. This is a carefully crafted, feminine style that can be absolutely stunning on the right woman over. Here's why a textured pixie can be so incredibly youthful. First, it completely eliminates any issues with thinning or fine hair because there's no weight to pull the hair down. Every strand can achieve maximum lift and volume, creating an incredibly full, vibrant appearance. Second, it draws all attention to your face, specifically your eyes and bone structure, which are often your most beautiful features. The textured pixie has varying lengths throughout, creating incredible movement and interest. It's not a buzzed, uniform length. Instead, it has longer pieces on top that can be styled with texture and volume, shorter sides that keep the overall shape clean and sophisticated, and carefully crafted layers that prevent any harsh lines. Despite being short, it can be styled in multiple ways. You can tussle it with your fingers and some texturizing paste for a casual, effortless look. You can smooth it with a small amount of serum for something more polished. You can even add slight waves with a small curling iron for evening elegance. This versatility keeps the style from looking boring or one-dimensional. For women over 60, a textured pixie offers incredible freedom. You'll spend minutes, not hours, styling your hair each morning. You'll save money on products because you need so little. You'll feel lighter, both literally and figuratively. And perhaps most importantly, you'll project an image of confidence and sophistication that's undeniably appealing. It has an energy and vibrancy that longer, more conservative styles simply can't match. When your hair has movement and texture, when it's styled to complement your features rather than hide them, it creates an impression of vitality that's incredibly attractive. The key to a successful textured pixie is customization. The cut must be tailored to your specific face shape, head shape, and hair texture. The proportions need to be exactly right to create the most flattering silhouette. This is not a cut you can get just anywhere. You need a stylist who understands how to create a pixie that enhances your individual features. The key is understanding your face shape, your hair texture, your lifestyle, and your personal style preferences. If you have a round face, you'll want to avoid cuts that add width at the sides of your head. The modern shag and sophisticated bob can both be customized to create length and narrow your features. The textured pixie can work beautifully if it's cut with height on top and kept close at the sides. If you have a long or narrow face, you'll want cuts that add width and fullness. All three of these cuts can be adapted to create this effect, but the styling will be slightly different. You might want more volume at the sides and less height on top. The modern shag is particularly good for this because of its soft, organic lines. The sophisticated bob can work if the front pieces are cut to create gentle curves rather than sharp angles. If you have a heart-shaped face with a wider forehead and narrower chin, you'll want to balance these proportions. The sophisticated bob is excellent for this because it can add width at the jawline. The textured pixie can work if it's styled with less volume on top and more fullness around the ears and nape. Fine hair responds beautifully to layered cuts like the modern shag because the layers create the illusion of thickness. Thick hair might be better suited to the sophisticated bob because it provides enough weight to control the bulk while still allowing for movement. Curly or wavy hair can look stunning in a textured pixie because the natural texture adds to the overall movement and interest of the cut. Straight hair often looks beautiful in a sophisticated bob because the sleek lines showcase the cut's clean, modern silhouette. Your lifestyle is another crucial factor. If you're very active, travel frequently, or simply don't want to spend much time on your hair, the textured pixie offers the ultimate in low maintenance. If you have a more formal lifestyle or prefer more styling options, the sophisticated bob might be perfect. If you want something that's edgy enough to feel current but not so dramatic that it feels uncomfortable, the modern shag could be your ideal choice. Here's something that might surprise you about these youthful cuts. They all work beautifully with gray hair, colored hair, or a combination of both. In fact, these cuts can make gray hair look incredibly chic and sophisticated rather than aging. The key is ensuring that your color complements your cut and your skin tone. If you're embracing your natural gray, consider adding some subtle highlights or lowlights to create dimension. Gray hair can sometimes appear flat, but when you add depth with strategic color placement, it becomes rich and multidimensional, especially in these textured, layered cuts. If you're coloring your hair, stay within 2 to 3 shades of your natural color for the most flattering, youthful result. Dramatic color changes can look artificial and actually age you regardless of how wonderful your cut is. Let's talk about the transformation process, because I know some of you might be feeling nervous about making such a significant change. It's completely normal to feel apprehensive about cutting your hair, especially if you've been wearing it the same way for many years. But here's what I want you to remember. Hair grows. If you try something and it's not quite right, it can be adjusted. But if you never try anything new, you'll never discover what might be absolutely perfect for you. The consultation process is crucial when considering one of these transformative cuts. You want to find a stylist who specializes in cuts for mature women, someone who understands how to work with changing hair textures and face shape. Don't be afraid to bring photos of styles you like, but also be open to your stylist's professional recommendations based on your individual features. A good stylist will help you choose the cut that's not only most flattering but also most practical for your daily life. Here's something I always tell my clients. The best haircut is one that makes you feel like yourself, just elevate. If a cut makes you feel like you're wearing a costume or trying to be someone you're not, it's not the right cut for you, regardless of how trendy or youthful it might be. But when you find the right cut, one of these 3 transformative styles or a variation that's customized for you, the change can be absolutely life-changing. I've seen women walk out of my salon standing taller, smiling bigger, and radiating a confidence that's unmistakably attractive. The maintenance of these cuts is actually much easier than you might think. All 3 styles benefit from regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain their shape and prevent them from growing out awkwardly. But the daily styling is surprisingly simple. For the modern shag, you can simply scrunch some texturizing mousse into damp hair and let it air dry for a casual look, or use a diffuser for more defined texture. For a smoother look, blow dry with a round brush, lifting at the roots for volume. The sophisticated bob can be blown smooth with a paddle brush for a sleek look, or scrunched with texturizing spray for more casual texture. The length makes it easy to style with hot tools if you want to add waves or straighten it completely. The textured pixie requires the least daily maintenance. A small amount of texturizing paste worked through damp hair and tousled with your fingers creates a perfectly styled look that lasts all day. For more polished occasions, a tiny bit of serum smoothed over the surface adds shine and sophistication. Here's something beautiful about these cuts. They all look better as they grow out. at least for the first few weeks after your The slightly grown-out texture often looks more natural and lived in, which is incredibly appealing. This means you don't have to worry about looking perfect every single day. What if your family doesn't like your new haircut? What if it's too dramatic a change? Here's what I've learned from years of transforming women's hair. The people who love you will love you regardless of your haircut. And the confidence you gain from looking and feeling your best will be so apparent that everyone will notice how amazing you look, even if they can't quite put their finger on why. Every day that you look in the mirror and don't love what you see is a day you're not living as your fullest, most confident self. You deserve to feel beautiful. You deserve to feel current and stylish. You deserve to look in the mirror and think, I look amazing. These 3 haircuts, the modern shag, the sophisticated bob, and the textured pixie, are not just about looking younger. They're about looking like the most vibrant, confident, intentional version of yourself. They're about refusing to become invisible, about demanding to be seen and appreciated for the incredible woman you are. It affects how you carry yourself, how you interact with others, how you feel about getting dressed each morning. When you love your hair, when you feel confident about how you look, it radiates outward and affects every aspect of your life. I've seen this transformation countless times in my salon. Women come in feeling dowdy, invisible, forgotten. They leave feeling vibrant, confident, beautiful. The haircut doesn't change who they are. It reveals who they've always been underneath outdated styling. Your age is not a limitation on your style. Your age is not a reason to play it safe with boring, conservative haircuts. Your age is an asset, a sign of wisdom and experience, and confidence that should be celebrated and showcased, not hidden behind unflattering hair. These 3 cuts work because they honor where you are in life, while enhancing your natural beauty. They don't try to make you look like someone else. They make you look like the best possible version of yourself. If you've been inspired by today's video and you're ready to discover more ways to look and feel your absolute best after 60, please subscribe to EverWise Older Women and hit that notification bell. We're creating content specifically for women who refuse to fade into the background, who are committed to living their most vibrant, confident lives at every age. In the description below, you'll find links to help you find qualified stylists in your area who specialize in cuts for mature women, as well as product recommendations for styling these cuts at home. Remember, investing in yourself and your appearance isn't vanity, it's self-care. It's a way of honoring yourself and showing the world that you value yourself. Whether you choose the romantic movement of a modern shag, the sophisticated elegance of a long layered bob, or the confident chic of a textured pixie, the right cut will transform not just how you look, but how you feel about yourself. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I believe in your beauty. I believe in your right to feel confident and stylish at any age. And I believe that the right haircut can be the beginning of an entirely new chapter in your life. Until next time, remember that age is just a number, but style is eternal, and you deserve to feel absolutely beautiful every single day.